Well, good morning. It's opening day of my elk hunt. Just coming up on the road. Ran into a nice 180 mule deer buck. Literally right here off the road. It's just barely daylight. We'll see if we can get a view of him for you. Lion spotted. Well, I set up on this cat and missed the first shot, and somehow I'd moved my tripod and was not on the cat anymore. But we get on him again. Well, this elk hunt changed course pretty quick. I found that lion bedded up. He was on a kill and shot, missed it. I hope I got it on video. I was so shaken. I was trying to get calm, but anyhow, he took off. Never seen him again, and I knew he went uphill, but I'd never seen him top out. And there's a little pocket right over here. And I just glassed him up, laying in some brush, hiding. Pretty thick patch of brush, but where he is, I think I can get right in on top of him. I don't think he's gonna go anywhere. He's just gonna hold up right there. So, fingers crossed. Hopefully we kill this cat. That would be so amazing. The big cat. Oh my word! I've never been so shook up. I got into this stuff. Holy cow! I got into this stuff and coming around here, and I knew the cat was here. I was close, and it's kind of just a little bit of thick willows. I'll show you. And yeah, I just shot this cat at 10 yards. It took off up the hill a little bit. I shot it again. It's down. It's down, baby. This is what this stuff looks like. Anyhow, I was standing right here. That cat was just to the right of where the tip of my shadow is, and I smoked him. He took off. Oh my word, I've never shook so hard before in my life, I don't think. He was hidden so well, I could just barely see the outline of him in this brush, and I put my crosshairs on him and touched it off, and you just heard that whop. He took off up the hill, and I hit him again while he was going away. Here's his tracks from when he came in to get up there. I smoked him. There he is. Not as big of a cat as I thought it was, but I'm not upset. That's a good cat. I'm sure he's dead. It's dead. Wow. Look at that. Cat down, baby. Female. Yeah. Well, I went up there. I knew that line was in that little pocket and that little draw with just a little bit of brush in it. And I went up, got up above the thing, came around the tip of the point, and I never seen it come out. I was standing there like, I've got to be right on top of this thing. And I started going in there, I'm like, I know this thing's here. I knew it was there. And I started easing down into that brush because I couldn't see it. And I was looking, and it started getting exciting. My heart was thumping, and I'm like, this lion is going to run out, like right here. And I'm walking around, and then like 10 yards right in front of me, there's that lion just standing there. But I could just see the outline of it, just barely. I couldn't tell which way it was heads or tails or what. And I'm like, man, I got to put a bullet in this. So I just shot for the middle of it, hit it a little far back, and it started running up the hill, and I pumped it with a second round, and down it went. I didn't get any of that on video, sorry, but I just knew being that close, there was no way I was going to be able to film that and still kill that cat. And I knew when I got in there I was going to be inside of 30 yards probably, and I was 10, because when I came down into that draw, he was right in my face, and I knew he was in that right in the middle of that little pocket of stuff, and sure enough, but cat down. Yeah. Hold on. Come here, Alaska. Come look. She don't want to look. Open the door, honey. Look, Leah.
Ew.
What is it? You want to pet the kitty cat? It's a kitty cat. Come look at the kitty cat. Come look. Come look, Alaska.
What is